publish it again. It had good write-ups, and it's part of the work. I've written 3,800 poems in my life. In 1 year I wrote 1,000, and it was my target in the year to write 1,000, and this starts from 1992 up to the present, up to 2016.
And do you go around and how do you make a living?
My living is, I'm called the broker of brokers. I'm a sort of a property and financial guy who raises money in movies and is quite well known, but I'm actually an artist like yourselves. So this is my calling. Right, so ready?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we did it before. It's just I'll put the words and you'll get a solo. I'll go like that for the solo.
Can you get your hair cut for next week?
I'm not going to haircut anyway.
Okay, so we ready? Okay, mudita. Do you know? Okay, that's very important. Unfortunately, this word is not known. Derek might have heard of it, but I'm not sure. I don't even, Lord Hampstead. Do you know what mudita means?
Say it again. Mudita.
Yeah, that's sad. Mudita is the opposite of Schadenfreude. Do we know what Schadenfreude means?
Pleasure in other people's fall.
Correct.
Pleasure in other.
Mudita is the opposite. So in other words, if you all go home tonight and you get a phone call from, or you make a phone call to your friends and family and say to them, I've got some news, but I can't tell you on the phone. Next time I see you, I'll tell you. And they'll want to see you. You then look at them in the eye, say, I've just won 50 million in the lottery. What you see in front of you will not be what you want to see, because you'll expect to see something different. But what you will see is this: when you say that to them, they'll go. That's unfortunately the world we're living in. And your only true friends are the ones that would embrace your success and happiness, because in truth everyone wants you to be okay, especially in this country, but not better than them. Right or wrong? Okay, ready? Push to the limit, maximum every day. This is about creation, about the ability not to fear, the authenticity. But life is also played as a game. Without every dimension of attitudinal bliss. The moment you close your mind is the moment you miss. Every action is in listening to your heart. No author of emotion, no teller at the gate. The fortune you yield is accepting your life is in the imaginary. Your sole need is to relate, especially to what brings you closer to hell. Yet heaven is only 1 inch away. The changer of momentum. You have already won. You lost nothing since your life begun. Try to carve out a big picture of perspective. Live in